This tutorial review will show you how to schedule email to be sent later in Gmail. You can schedule your emails to send at a later time. Scheduled emails may be sent a few minutes after the scheduled time. Your emails will be sent based on the time zone you scheduled them in. So first of all, open your Gmail and click on Compose. Enter here the recipient email address. Enter the subject and write your email here. Once done, click on this little drop down option next to send. Click on schedule send. And now select a date and time from here. To pick a custom date and time, tap on pick date and time. And now select date. Click on time to change the time. And click on schedule send. And the email will be scheduled. And to view scheduled emails, click on the scheduled option. And here you will get all of your scheduled emails. And from here you can cancel your scheduled email. So that's how you can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.